another quick tip, guys. So this might seem obvious and common sense to you because this is a very extreme case. But as you can see, when I took this clock apart, the shape of the plates are very bent, okay? So when you go to put these plates on top of each other, they should just literally, gravity should like let them drop into position. You need to be careful and ensure that you straighten the plates both sides and you correctly align them. And when you do, this will drop right on there beautifully, and that'll make your life a lot easier when you go to assemble the clock, because these can be a pain in the butt if the plates are not straight. And it could be off just a hair. So this is an extreme case, but it could just be off a tiny bit and it would cause you a problem. So make sure you always check for that. Alright guys, so here's the count wheel movement that was really bent out of shape, and it took care and time to straighten the plates. And if you put it over the post like that, you should be able to just give it a tap and it goes right down. Even better yet, it just kind of falls there, but that's adequate. You know, this was really bent out of shape. So taking the time to go ahead and do that is really going to make your assembly that much smoother and easier. Alright, so a little tip you might think is obvious, but trust me, it'll save you a lot of heartache. So always check for that and straighten out the plates. So after you've straightened the plates properly, you should be able to just simply place this over the posts where they go, and it should pretty much fall into place. Give it a little tap and it should go into place. If it doesn't, then your plates still need to be straightened out. Otherwise, when you go to assemble this, it's going to be a pain in the butt. So be sure that you straighten the plates and you check for ease of assembly before putting all the gears in there.